Let's talk about a very important rule which is known as 30 60 90 rule. So this rule says that if we have a right angle triangle, and in this right angle triangle, if this angle is 60° and this angle is 30°, then if the length of the smallest side is x, then hypotenuse, which is the longest side, will always be 2 times x, and the other leg of this right angle triangle will be square root 3 times x. So it means if x is 2, then this side will be 4 and this side will be 2 root 3. Now we can prove this using trigonometry and geometry. So let us first prove it using geometry. Let's take an equilateral triangle ABC, and let's say the length of this side is 2x. This means AB will be 2x as well and BC will be 2x as well because it is an equilateral triangle. Also, every angle of this triangle will be 60°. So this will be 60, 60 and 60°. Now I know that in an equilateral triangle, if we draw a perpendicular from any of its vertex on the opposite side, it bisects the opposite side. So if we say this point is D, then BD will be X and DC will be X as well. This perpendicular also bisects this angle, so this angle will be 30° as well. So you can see that we have a triangle ADC with 30°, 60° and 90° angle. And in this right angle triangle, we can see that the smallest side is x and the largest side is 2x, which is the hypotenuse. So all we have to do is we need to find AD, and that we can do using Pythagoras theorem. So let's apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle ADC. AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. So 2x whole square will be equal to AD square plus x square. So this means 4x square is equal to AD square plus x square, or we can say AD square is equal to 3x square, which means AD is equal to square root 3x, and that's what we wanted to prove, that this side is square root 3x. So the smaller side is x, hypotenuse the longest side is 2x, and the other leg is square root 3x for 30, 60, 90 triangle. Let's now solve it using trigonometry. So ABC is a 30, 60, 90 triangle, and let's say BC is x. So we are going to use Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bole. So let's try to find cos 60°. Cos means base over hypotenuse. So for 60°, BC is the base. So BC, and hypotenuse is always AC. Now cos 60° is 1 by 2 is equal to BC is x and AC is what we need to find. So AC is equal to 2x. So we got the length of hypotenuse. Let's now try to find sine 60°. Sine 60° is perpendicular over hypotenuse, and the perpendicular for 60° is AB. So this will be AB over AC. Sine 60° is square root 3 by 2. AB we need to find, and AC is 2x. So 2 will get cancelled. So AB will be equal to square root 3x, and that's what we wanted to prove, that the length of the other side of this triangle is square root 3x. So 30, 60, 90 is a very important rule in right angle triangles, and this can be used directly to solve your questions and make them really easy. So if you really like this video, then share it with your friends and your classmates. Thanks for watching Mathemafia.